How to replace a 2010 Kia Forte steering wheel airbag. Well, first there's like 2 screws on each side. It's got like a Allen screw. You stick it in the hole right here on each side. I don't know if you can see it or not, but it's this one here. And there's one on the other side. You undo them two, and this. And you pull the airbag out. Of course, you'll have to undo these plugs here. They have a little tab on top. I took a little blade of a knife and pulled it out, pulled them up, and you throw this one away. And then you get your new one, which has an orange and a black, which, you know, you might be able to figure out how to do this. I don't think I can hold the phone and smartphone here and put it all back in together. So anyway, I just have to tell you how it's done. And you just put the orange in the orange and the black on the black, and throw this back in here and put the screws are. Where's the screws at? I think they're right there. Screws are right there, one there and one on the other side. Right there. Actually, you can kind of see the hole back in here, can you? Let me see if I can get around here. Yeah, right here it is. See there, right there? Run an Allen doodad through there, and you unscrew it on both sides. And then you just pull it out, unplug it, and then you just do the reverse and put it back in, and oh, voila, you're done. That's it. Alright. That's about it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.